Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install NumPy. So the first thing you need to do is to basically open up a command line. For that you can either go to a start and type cmd and press enter, or you can press and hold shift and right click, and then you have to do it one more time. So press and hold shift and then right click and then click open window here. Now all you need to do is just type pip install NumPy and then press enter. It will probably take a few minutes to basically download and install NumPy module. So as you can see now, it's trying to download. Download is complete. Now it's installing the package. It'll take a few minutes. Just be patient, and at the end you should see a message saying that the installation was successful. And then you see it now that says successfully installed NumPy 1.14. Just to confirm and make sure that the package has been installed, type Python, press enter. Now type import NumPy. If you do not get any error when you type NumPy, import NumPy and press enter, it means that it's been successfully installed. As you can see, there is no error, so it's been successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe.